Hello everyone, welcome back to Quick Helper. In this video, I will show you how to turn off Vanish mode on Instagram. So let's get started. First, you have to locate the Instagram app icon and tap on it to open the app. Then navigate to the direct message chat. In the chat, swipe up from the bottom of the screen to reveal Vanish mode. Another option is to tap on the profile icon at the top of the screen. In the menu, select Privacy and Safety. Look for the Vanish mode option among the settings, and tap on the toggle switch to turn off Vanish mode. And there you have it, you have successfully turned off Vanish mode on Instagram. Thank you for watching. We hope this video helped you figure things out. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up. And don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.